Hey guys, this is Ready, Set, Viral. How are you doing? Hope you're having a really great day. Today we're going to be talking about self-defense ideas. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. So without any further ado, let's get into it. A lot of you know how dangerous it can be to be alone wherever you are. You can never know where and when people with bad intentions are going to attack you. So that's why it's always better to learn how to fight for yourself, so that you won't have to worry about anything like that. You could always be sure that nothing bad's going to happen to you, but unfortunately the internet doesn't provide much information about stuff like this. So let's present to you some self-defense hacks. The first hack on this list is going to be helpful, especially when you're going to get attacked in your own house and would get immobilized with a tape. But you cannot waste any time, because they may steal something and run away. And that's something we don't want to happen, right? Don't worry, we have a solution. Firstly, remove the tape from your mouth by using your hands. Then, grab your pin and make a small hole in the tape on your hands. Even the smallest one would do. After that is done, remove the tape from your legs by using your newly freed hands and call the police. Don't forget to remember what they look like just in case they escape. You'll have to describe them to the police. The next hack is going to be necessary when someone breaks into your house. This one's going to protect you from them, and it would work flawlessly. All you need to do is get some sticky product, for instance the dish soap would do, spill it all on the floor in the place the thieves may check, and they'll trip on it for sure. And yes, perhaps you'll also have to clean all of the mess it makes, but it is worth it, isn't it? It's better to have a mess than to be in danger. With this hack, we can guarantee you that no thief will ever suspect a thing. It's like they won't even know what happened after they would be immobilized by you. But you're probably wondering what you have to do for this to work. It's easy, successful, and also a cheap hack. All you need to do is have an extremely strong glue and some welcome home pad. The unwanted guest will step on it without expecting the fact you put glue all over it. And if you're going to choose a very strong glue like we said you should, there should be no way the thief could get away from that. He would be glued to the pad until the police would come and do something with him. No more danger. The heated door handle is perhaps the best way to protect yourself from any unwanted guests. Just turn it on and leave it there. The handle on the other side would be so hot, so it would be impossible to touch. They would get burnt and leave immediately. Another win. This hack, just like the previous one, is going to be a big help. When you have a problem with being tied up, right now we're going to explain how to get rid of rope on your hands, so listen closely. The first thing you have to do is to make sure that you're reaching your arms. This way it would be easy for you to get the rope from you. Then just keep twisting your wrists in different directions. This shouldn't have a problem with getting at least one hand off the rope and then easily freeing the other one. And wow, just like that, you are free. Now you can be sure that there's not going to be any problems when you're staying out late. Tell us if you want more content like this, and tell us about your newly learned skills. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys next time. Until then, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Bye now.